horses out. We have Nash. Pass moving down on the inside is Flawless. Moving up Arias now. Olympus Queen together with Oroqueta. Home Run Queen comes next. Flying G. Then comes Evoxa. Crystal Sprite is already outside. And going along for the first turn, we have Nash, the leader. And on the outside is Olympus Queen. Racing in third, Oroqueta. Home Run Queen in fourth. Then followed over by number 1, Flawless. No. And on the outside, Flying J. Nara. Then next on line, Heron, Crystal Sprite, Security Prince, Babes Magic, and Lucky Pal is the early trailer. We have Nash, the leader, by Oralenka and Hapa. And in second is Oroqueta, Nara in third, and on the inside, fourth, Olympus Queen, Flying J in between horses, Peep, Home Run Queen, Flawless, E-Box, no is down on the inside, then comes Security Prince, Heron, and it's still Nash by about 2 lengths. Trying to get closer now. In second is Home Run Queen, and on the outside Olympus Queen, Nara joining them. Flawless, no, finds an opening down on the inside. We have Nash, and down on the inside is Home Run Queen. Flawless, no, he's down on the inside. And as they come down the last 150, Home Run Queen, Nash, no, he's on the outside. As they come down the last 100, we have Home Run Queen, no, moving up in between horses, and on the outside is Flawless. Flawless, no, he's not on the inside. It's now, followed by Flawless on the outside. No, Flawless, no, by about 2 lengths. And finally, no, second Flawless. Then comes number 9, Babes Magic, close. Home Run Queen.
Alright, so it was no. Nakakuha ng magandang pwesto rito sa ating